YouTube. So let me go and refresh all the Facebook, and let's start the seminar. We talk again later. You want to 介紹bak kut teh to me, right? Later. Okay. All the Facebook, and let's start. Let me go and refresh all the Facebook, and all the Facebook, and let's start the seminar. We talk again to me, right? Later. All the Facebook, and let's start. Good evening. Good evening to all Singapore investors and traders. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Okay, welcome back. So in a few moments, we will start the seminar. Okay, I got everything set up. Actually, I'm good to go now, guys. I'm good to go now. So like first stock, wow, Ma Xiong immediately jump into the stock market. Like first stock, come. Who want to draw the first blood? While we wait for more people to join us, let's immediately jump into the stock discussion. Members, your mood all very good, huh? 你們就好啦，個 GKE 啊，我都冇啊，冇 GKE， 你哋有 GKE， 羨慕死我。CCLHN, okay, let's see LHN first. Okay, so as usual, we will start with random stock discussion, then we go into the education followed by my read on the market. Okay, so this is the LHN story. Okay, story of LHN is already over. You all know, right? I think they got some co-living thing going on for LHN. Okay, so seems like it is over already. So now it's going into a consolidation. So technically, let's take a look. Ranking is only 1 star. Okay, so our mantra is to look for 3-star or 4-star is the best. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, 就係這邊 3-star or 4-star is the best. If don't have 1-star or 2 stars for appetizer first. Okay, I repeat. If you don't have 3-star, 4-star stock, then we do 1-star, 2-star for appetizer. Then when 3-star, 4-star appears, sell the 1-star, 2-star, and then eat the main course. Okay, so LHN. Let's take a look at the candles. I go for the weekly chart first as usual. A weekly chart, you can see there is this selling candle over here. This is the selling candle. So currently it's not doing much. Okay, it is consolidating sideways. The only good thing I find on the weekly chart is that the stock didn't fall lower despite seeing this shooting star. Okay, then you have got 4 candles of consolidation. So this week looks like it's going to be a consolidating candle as well. So I don't think this week is the right time to touch LHN. Okay, I do not think so. Based on the weekly chart, at least for my personal preference, whenever I see a stronger weekly chart, that one I will have more interest. So for LHN, you can see on the daily chart, after the long white come down. This one no problem because every mother son stock in SGX is coming down on Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. So selling is still there. You do not have very clear BIC yet for LHN. So I only got one word for everybody who's interested in LHN. That is 等 wait. Tunggu. Okay. Sorry, today is Singapore stock market, right? SGX. So no need to talk Bahasa. So we stick to English. Okay, we'll stick to English and Hokkien. Tomorrow night, Bursa segment, we will talk Bahasa, Cantonese, and English. Okay, so tonight, Hokkien, English, and Mandarin. So let's go. Next one. I never call Siri. Why my Siri turn up? Alamak, must tell Steve Jobs. Okay, like next talk. Okay, Singapore Strength Index. James, later when more people come, then we talk about the Singapore Strength Index. Right now we talk about more stock first. So Japfa. A lot of people interested in Japfa. Why? Because the price is low, is it? Because the price is low. Hey guys, what is this? Is this uptrend or downtrend? Come, can anybody answer me? Is this uptrend or downtrend? If you think it's uptrend, comment uptrend. If you think it's downtrend, comment downtrend. This one. Is this uptrend or downtrend? Waiting for your answer. 我是在等待。Downtrend. A lot of you say downtrend. 係啦。If it's downtrend, let me introduce you to one strategy to trade downtrending stock. Okay, so let me remove my line first. Downtrending stock, you will want to draw the downtrend line first. Trend line alerts. Okay, I'm going to draw the trend line alerts. This is the peak. I want to connect the three obvious high. The three obvious high. I'll set the alert on 7th of August on a Saturday. Okay. Wait 7th of August DC 7th of August, 5th of August, I part some. 5th of August, I second dose, so I will be knocked out for 3 days. So maybe no alert. So just take note, okay? So Jaffa, this is the downtrend line. So in order to trade Jaffa, personally, I will wait for the downtrend line to break up first, okay? And then that is when I will consider to trade Jaffa. Otherwise, right now is downtrend. You don't know whether it will continue to trend lower or not. Also, best is 不要乱乱来啦. Don't anyhow do it. Don't anyhow, because you cannot see BIC anyway. You don't see any BIC. Okay. And the other thing is, it's not doing RTS. This is the major support at about 82 cents. About 82 to 83 cents is a major support RTS level. So a lot of people may be tempted to buy at the support, but my style, okay, my style is if I don't see BIC, I will not touch. Okay, it means there is no clear indication of buyer buying. You see my GKE, guys. Those of you who are here during the GKE, okay, when I presented GKE like 3 weeks ago, every single week we talk about GKE. Now, those of you who remember GKE, give me a fireworks of love, please. Love. Okay, give me a fireworks of love. Like that. If you remember GKE, we talked about GKE many times. Okay. Speaking about love, remind me of one song. Ocean Deep. Love. Can't you see I'm alone? Yes, many love, right? Okay, right. Let's go through. Now, why am I so cocksure that GKE got chance to go up? It's because of before it go up, over here there is BIC during the consolidation. Can you see the BIC? I think I said this many times. 瞎子都看得到. That means even the blind can see this chart consolidating with BIC. You flip to the weekly chart. So this is like a model answer for your exam. What exam? Stocks trading. Okay, this is the model answer. This fund, damn cocksure it will go up, and the fundamental, take a look at this, 3 star. My ranking is 3 star, so more confident. Now you go back to Jaffa. Jaffa, right, was 什么都看不到. I really can't see anything. 3 star, 2 star, Jaffa 2 star, and I can't see anything at all. I don't see any BIC. Okay, I don't see BIC on the weekly chart. I don't see BIC on the daily chart. So I will not touch first. Okay, in short, I will not touch first. Like ISDN. Now, ISDN, it is also a stock that we are very bullish and thinks, okay, in our opinion, it should be trading higher. Now, what happened last Thursday was really crap. CRAP, crap. I'm not holding back my words because only using the right words can vent my frustration. This is a bloody long black candle. The volume is not very low. So therefore, I'm out of ISDN. Oh, yo, shocking to many people, right? Those of you who are not members but following the webinar, hey, wow, been so bullish about ISDN, why get out so early? I get out because there was a fire drill going on. Okay, the building fire alarm went through. So this is a warning sign to me. I got out of the stock first and I'm looking to buy back. Now, if you take a look at the weekly chart of ISDN, this shooting star is really a WBD, no? It shouldn't have a shooting star. No. It should be 3 white candles sui on the way to low key until 80 cents. That is the fairy tale. That was the script for ISDN. Just like what it did last December. Straight 3 candle up, then you consolidate your problem. But this fella go and sell on Thursday. We had a global sell-off on Thursday anyway. So in order to prevent 2008 from happening again, I opt to lock in the profit and also cut those losses that I don't want to carry in the event of a market meltdown. So I did a lot of consolidation work on Thursday. ISDN is one of those that I have to lock in the profit to protect the other, to provide a profit buffer for those positions that I'm having losses. Okay, so now I'm looking to buy back. Good news is I'm looking to buy back. So if you are using ISDN, you're looking at the weekly chart, you will see that there's a warning sign here. Now, usually when you see a shooting star, next candle, you have to watch out whether it will be a black candle confirmation, then liao, the stock can come down. Okay, now, why will it not be a black candle confirmation? You have to think this way because you want to buy, you understand what I'm saying? If you want to buy ISDN, you look for reasons to buy. If you want to sell ISDN, you watch out for bearish signals. So this is why I'm looking at why ISDN can go up and not come down. Firstly, the earnings. Earnings for ISDN is strong, is good. Okay, you forget about this because the earnings, right? It has a very record. This is okay, no, not record. Sorry, this is the accumulation of first half and second half. First half of 2020, second half of 2020. This is before SGX rule. Okay, those of you who are new to trading, before 2020, SGX never. Those companies are allowed to announce their earnings in a quarterly fashion. Since 2020, they changed it to half yearly. So all companies have the option to report half yearly, and ISDN is reporting half yearly now. So there was a dip in the earnings for the second half 2020. So first half 2020, 怎么看? Okay, I personally think that the earnings should be good. Judging from the industry peers, okay, where they have been reporting good numbers like TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor reporting 20% jump, Samsung Semiconductor reporting earnings growth, and Japan machine orders, okay, hit a high in June. And I also have Korea export. Singapore GDP number, I think out this week, tomorrow, Wednesday. I think it's tomorrow. Export numbers on Friday. So I believe all of them are going to point to electronic non-oil export are going to go up. Okay, not are going to go up, is had gone up last month. So therefore, the earnings is the reason why I think ISDN can still go higher. So now we need to find an entry into ISDN. So 怎么找呢? Go to the daily chart. Weekly chart, you know already, right? So you come to the daily chart. Daily chart, what happened here? Thursday selling, do, re, mi, 3 candles. The stock never fall lower. So it is telling us that, okay, there's no continuation in selling. Doesn't mean it will not sell tomorrow. It's just that there's no continuation in selling. So if it can break the high, it should be able to trade higher. We want to see a long white like this happening in ISDN. That will be the confirmation to tell us that the sellers are done with. We are looking at the resumption of an uptrend. I repeat again, we want to look for long white. Once we see long white, we know that the selling are done. It's going to resume its uptrend. 照海敢看 ，OK， 就是这样看。Right, so does ISDN only one star affect your decision to sell? No. ISDN one star is because of my formula. I'm the one who came out with the formula for the ranking. So one star means that Ibalu started, engine just started. And also I have to factor in the earnings is now half yearly. Okay, if you go to the TTM, you can see that it is beautifully going higher. All right, so this one star again, I say it is because of my formula and due to the change in the reporting become half yearly. So there was a dip, therefore 1 star. Otherwise, it should be 2, 3 star. Next quarter, next earnings come out, right? You will see there will be 1 more star awarded. So it becomes Lieutenant General or LTC lah. LTC is called Lieutenant Colonel. Lieutenant Colonel. Okay, 3 star will be Mr. Ambraj. 3-star general coming up soon for ISDN. Right, next stop. Del Monte. Del Monte. Right. Del Monte. Hey guys, I cannot answer all the stock one by one. So I will just pick and choose which one I want to talk. So Del Monte. Wow. Del Monte is a stock we studied at the Traders Cup last night. Okay, so this stock is legit, is bullish. So our opinion is Del Monte should be trading higher. Okay, our expectation is trading higher, and you can see it's a 2-star. So you can see the ranking, right? It's going to help you if you do not know whether the stock signal is good or bad. Just take a look at the ranking. Remember, 3-star, 4-star is main course, 1-star, 2-star is appetizer. Okay, so Del Monte is appetizer. Okay, you want to see main course is iFast iFast. Main course 4-star， 厉不厉害？是不是厉害 ？Good or not? iFast 4-star. Okay, another one Union Gas. Okay, Union Gas. Union Gas. Right, Union Gas. You make a guess. How many star? Union Gas. 猜一下 how many star? Union Gas. Anybody want to make a guess? How many star does Union Gas have in the rank? Let's play a quiz. Come on. Two-star. Michael Lim say 2-star. 3-star. Liu Jiawei say 3-star. 来了啊！噔噔噔噔 Union Gas. Union Gas. 2-star only. 2-star only. 2-star only. Okay. So let's see. Union Gas is an uptrending stock. Uptrending stock. Sorry, you were asking about what stock is that? Shit, I forgot. Let me see. 哇，讲太快。we're talking about Del Monte. So Union Gas is also 2-star lah. So Del Monte 来了 Del Monte. We continue on Del Monte. Del Monte daily chart we saw already. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Hey guys, after I talk a couple of stocks, right? I will teach you how to read the chart. Then after that, we have to go through the list here. You see, Del Monte is the first signal on the chart. Okay, in the screener. So therefore, later we'll go through these stocks, and then you'll be able to understand how to find stock. Okay, so Del Monte weekly chart is good. You can see that it's going up on increasing volume. So this week's candle, right, because of the last 2 weeks candle volume is building up, we expect Del Monte by Friday to trade higher. We expect, okay, if there is no nasty surprise. Like now, Singapore from 0 and 1 COVID case, walao, sekali now we are looking at how many? 19 cases, all because of the KTV. All because of the KTV. Now, the thing is, I don't know lah. You see, those men, right, go and voluntarily test Majialat. No test Majialat. Now they are very scared. Because what if they pass the Delta variant to the family? Xiao liao lo now. So the situation now is jialat. So 1-star and 1-star. So bearing the outbreak of the COVID variant, so we see how lah. Now it's 19 cases, all contacted, all traced. Some maybe don't dare to tell the wife why they are going for COVID test. So if they kena, they will pretend. 我不知道嘞，我不知道怎么我中嘞。哇 ，Delta 传染力很高啊，我不知道怎么我中嘞。They will never say they go to the KTV 啦，家破人亡啊，开玩笑。I hope the government will allow them to remain anonymous when they do the testing. 不好笑咩？这个笑话。Today I saw the news together with a friend. We choke out pain. So Del Monte. So we look forward to up. So 420 is the 42 cents is the resistance. Okay, so you watch out. And the volume on the daily chart is very beautiful. It's very beautiful. Hey, last night, TT, last night I was doing webinar training with everybody. I never go. 乱讲，Okay, so this one, the volume is getting more and more beautiful. Member will love this pattern. Okay, member will love this pattern. Okay, 不要讲 KTV 好像哇，根本also 毁我名誉，不行，我们换话题了。来，next talk about stock. 9天we talk about 9天。9天。Okay, 9天 4-star. The stock has been consolidating for goddamn long time. Okay, it is like the GKE. Okay, it's a GKE. It's consolidating for a damn long time, okay, and it is still within the asymmetrical triangle pattern. Despite many times it tries to break down, right, it is still there, you know, it is still there, okay, it is still there. So 这样子画都可以啦。So I won't be too strict about the pattern because ultimately this high is higher than this high, this high higher than this high. So it still have a symmetrical pattern. So it is consolidating. So this pattern means that the stock is consolidating. Within the pattern, we need to find BIC. Ubo, Bo, I don't see any. The only good thing about 9天 pattern is the volume is drying up. Okay, and then we go to the daily chart. You will see that 9天 has some form of activity. Okay, here it threatened to go and die. Here it threatened to go and die. Here threatened to die. Threatened to 跳牢, threatened to die. Okay, but you take a look at the volume, very low. So if you hang on tight, now the stock has rebounded. Those people who sell now, it's always like that, guys. It is not your fault. Okay, after you sell, stock rebound is very common, happen to everybody. So don't feel too bad. All right, don't feel too bad. So this stock same go down, after that finally rebound, and we are looking at BIC currently, as you can see. But BIC on the daily chart is no big deal because the weekly chart is still not ready. I don't see any BIC on the weekly chart yet. So our best case scenario for 9天 is this week's candle. You can see on a Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. The transaction volume is 96.2 million. Okay. It took one whole week, Monday to Friday, for this weekly candle to hit 92 million, but it only takes 2 days for this week's candle to hit 92 million. Now, if God's willing, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, more and more volume comes out, we may be looking at a juicy long white candle in 9天 to signifying that the buyers 登来了, the buyers return. Okay, so therefore it turned bullish. If it continue to rise, volume continue to rise, and it close at the candle high. So 9天, although it is not a stock to muscle this week, but it is a good stock to monitor so that in the next few weeks, maybe there will be an opportunity to muscle this stock. Okay, this 9天. Singtel solid then I must see if you say Singtel solid, I must see. Hey, I'm actually waiting for you to give me lobang. So the stocks that you mentioned, right, I'm seriously looking at it one. 我不是随随便便跟你讲股的哦。OK， 我不是随随便便跟你讲股的，来这里乙股会有给你看，不要了，我们先讲Singtel. We talk about Singtel first. Okay, we talk about Singtel first. So Singtel weekly chart, why is it solid? Help me, abang. Why is it solid? Nothing leh, can't see anything leh. Nothing solid about Singtel, brother. Nothing solid. Singtel is like a playground slide. Very nice to play. Your children will like it. Okay, it's a slide. So Singtel skip. Tak waste time lah. Downtrending stock like Jaffa downtrending stock. No BIC. Tak waste time. Okay, see guys. One of the trader. Okay, there are 900 overstock listed in the Singapore exchange. Right. Anytime you pick any stock, you draw support resistance line, there will be a reason to buy the stock. But what I have discovered is. Sorry, let me clear my throat. I just had another box of MSW, so I need to clear my throat. That is 2 consecutive nights of durian. I think tomorrow my voice sure gone. Nowadays, buy durian very convenient. They will deliver to your house. So sure. You need to go to the store. Now, what I hate about going to the fruit store is the seller, right? Anyhow charge, anyhow do the waving can ketuk you. So now deliver to home, more convenient. Okay, so so I was saying there are 900 overstock listed in the Singapore exchange, right? So I am specializing. I am specialized in a specific way to look for a trading idea. Okay, that is a particular type of chart which I call the BIC, which stands for buyers in control. Buyers in control. So when I find a stock I want, the stock chart must have that pattern, buyer in control pattern in the candle, in the transaction volume. Then I will follow this chart and I will wait for an entry to buy the stock so that my approach to the stock market, be it bull or bear market, sideways market, I am very clear and specific that I'm looking for a particular setup. This kind of pattern, this kind of stock, I'm looking for it. So therefore, it increases and my chance of winning, and it also helps me avoid the randomness of the stock market. Okay, so today, if you are new to trading, in the randomness of the stock market, there is one highly repeatable pattern, and that is called the BIC, buyer in control. Later, I show you some of the wins that I have on the chart. You'll be able to see that actually they have BIC. Okay, so Singtel definitely don't qualify. Let's go to the next stock, guys. 美蛙是什么股啊？美蛙 I never see this stock before 嘞。美蛙 International Food Processing. 美蛙 also the same. You don't see BIC, right? You do not see BIC. You see black candle all the way. Okay. Although the stock is climbing up, a lot of stock can climb up for a lot of reasons. But I am a specialist. I go for one particular type, and I want to be damn good at that type so that I can achieve consistency in the stock market. So Meiwa is not a stock that I know. It's not a pattern that I know of. So I'll be patient to wait for the stock. This is the type lah. See, I like stock. I like stock, guys. I like stock that do this. Okay, it goes up, after that it consolidate before it break up. So before it break upwards, right, it seems like GKE, sama GKE. You take a look, whenever it has high volume, you take a look at the candle. Is it white or black candle? Okay, so that is what I call BIC. I will have higher chance of success. Okay, next one. The earning is not good. One of the broker downgraded Singtel target price. Singtel a lot of problem Singtel. So I'm not going to touch Singtel really. Nano firm. Okay, Nano firm. So this is Nano firm chart. Once again, when I open up this chart, guys, see Nano firm, right? Very beautiful uptrend. Okay, now you don't see any ranking here for Nano firm because it's an IPO stock. I do not have enough earnings data to tabulate. So therefore, this is the uptrending stock. I want you to focus on this is coming down, right? This is going up, this is coming down, right? So from here onwards, I want you to focus on BIC. Now you tell me, do you see BIC or not? Do you see BIC or not? In Nano firm. If you can see BIC, this is going to be very beneficial for you. Okay, this is going to be very beneficial for you. If you see BIC, you comment yes, or you comment BIC. Comment BIC. If you see BIC, comment BIC. Okay, let's see how many of you got it. Yes, BIC. A lot of BIC, correct. A lot of you see BIC, you are right. So this is indeed BIC, okay? So this is indeed BIC. Why? Now, for those of you who are new, I'm going to show you how to see BIC. So you pay attention right now, okay? Pay attention right now. So how to see BIC? Once you open up a chart, okay, you pay attention to the green and red bar below. Green and red bar below are known as the transaction volume. That means the total number of shares exchanged hands during the day. The white and black thing on top is called the candlestick. Candlestick gives you, for example, today candlestick, right? It will give you the 4 important information. What price did the stock open? What is the intraday high? What is the intraday low? And what price did the stock close? Now, when you see white candle, it means that the closing price is higher than the opening price. Imagine you buy $5, the stock closed at $5.50. You immediately turn 10%, correct? So that is the white candle. Now black candle. Imagine the price opened at $5, you buy $5. Then when the market closed, it dropped 50 cents. You lose 10%. It closed at $4.50. So that will become black candle. So generally, black candle will mean selling, white candle will mean buying. Okay, so this is the basic fundamentals about chart reading that you should know. Fundamental. So you get this important message. I repeat again. White candle generally means buying. Black candle generally means selling. Okay, now why I use the word generally? Because you need to understand the context of what's happening. You need to read a group of candles to understand price action. You do not just base on one candle like that. Then you will not be able to catch the context of whether it's buying or selling. Now, next, whenever you see the chart, you open up, these two information must be on your chart. Okay, then you look at the high volume. Now, this green bar, definitely you know this is high volume. The high volume, like here 8.7 million, here is 6.5 million, here 7 million. So these are all the outlier, very high volume. When the stock has a very high volume day, what is the stock doing? You can see it is a white candle, means buying. It is a white candle, means buying. And whenever it's low volume, the candle is black. That means there are more buyer than selling. Simple. More buyer than selling. Very simple. So every time it has high volume, buying. Every time it has higher volume, buying. Higher volume, buying. Whenever pull back, low volume, low volume, low volume. Comfortable? So this is called BIC. Okay, using this BIC, later we'll go through this list of stock and then we see got any more lobang or not. And using this BIC method, okay, for me, I will look at one stock and I will try to identify BIC pattern. Now, this is just one pattern of this BIC formation. It will happen in many different forms and shapes. So as you go along, the more chart you practice, the better you get at it. Okay, so now this is a one stock that is very obvious, as you can see. Now I can show you another stock that you cannot see, which is DBS. When you go to DBS chart, you see for yourself. Can you see that it is not as obvious as nanofirm? Can you see the buyer in control is not as obvious as nanofirm? Let me go and show you the two charts I put together side by side so that you can compare. Okay, you can compare. Now tonight is about education. Now you come here, right? I want to give you value. Okay, I want to give you value. So therefore you learn. Okay, then I did my part. Then after that, whatever happened in the second part of the webinar, then we decide later. Okay, so now you pay attention to learn. Can you see the high volume, low volume is very obvious in nanofirm as compared to DBS. Therefore, whenever people ask me about a stock, right, like for example, DBS, I cannot see the pattern that makes me money. I cannot see. So therefore, I usually will not trade this particular stock. I will wait for a stock to show this, and then I know, hey, this is the one that I can do, and then I chase after this, like for example, you are a tiger. You're a tiger. 前面, in front of you, there is a injured. You use like that is a bit cruel. And use animal to describe a bit cruel. I'm Buddhist, Buddhist, I cannot say like that. I should say easier chance, easier opportunity versus opportunity that you are not sure of. So this is like the easier opportunity. This one is require more analysis. So therefore, I find in my decade of trading, looking for this kind of chart to trade is easier to predict the outcome, just like GKE, just like ISDN. And you can check my record. I ever seen I come online and start to do shows like that, right? Okay, my record not too bad. I got more rights than wrong. Okay, so therefore, I always hunt for this kind of stock. Now, this one, I will skip. Okay, so that much you must know. Now, do you understand what I'm talking about? If you understand, and give me a file, give me the, yes, comment a yes, so that I can see. Comment a yes. If you give me like and all that, I cannot see it. You comment yes if you understand what I'm trying to tell you about looking for easier opportunity. Okay, so now I switch to Chinese first. Okay, 我用华文跟你讲哦，就是说我们要找容易的嘛，容易的交易的一个机会。如果图表太过复杂那个公司太过难了解，不要去动它啦，对不对？不要动它，我们找容易的，找容易赚钱的嘛。我们赚钱要找容易的方法嘛，对不对？何必找一个这么难了解的公司呢？这么难了解的图表呢？找一个容易的图表。Okay, so in English, we look for easier to read chart versus more difficult to read chart. 就是这样 just like that. Very simple. Okay. I'm glad a lot of you say yes. Thank you very much. So let's continue. Okay, like next stop. I think we pick something from YouTube. Franken, Phyllis Slave. Franken. Let's see Franken. Franken is another one that is very easy to read, right, guys? Can you see? So if you focus on this kind of chart, right, effectively, it will save you a lot of heartache. You definitely will have an easier time in the stock market. If not, every time, every week, every day, you'll be hunting for stock, looking at top volume, asking your friend, asking your reminder, and you are all over the place. So if you follow this kind of chart, you will realize that it's much easier to predict. So where's the BIC? There. Okay, and then what is it doing now? Pulling back on low volume. Now, for Franken, okay, again, last Thursday, something happened in the stock market that really disrupt all the pattern. Okay, it is supposed to be very nicely trending upwards, but last Thursday, global sell-off, Singapore exchange was not spared. So Franken also have that long black candle. And you go to the weekly chart. Okay, go to weekly chart, nothing damaging. Okay, nothing damaging on Franken. And you go to the daily chart. Okay, daily chart, you can see after that long black on Thursday, Friday, Monday, today, the stock didn't fall further, and therefore it is still considered neutral at this point in time. There are some stocks that already start to trend up. You can see UMS. Why I compare UMS against Franken is because both are semiconductor stock. 9 点半了。9:30 already. US stock market has opened. Okay, so we are looking at Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is down small, down negative 0.06, sub water. Okay, sub water. So if you have followed me in the webinar for a long time, you know my view about July market is it will be up. Okay, my anticipation is it will be up. There shouldn't be any crash. Okay, crash comes August, September, October. July should be good, right? So with that in mind, we are always looking for stocks to buy. So you can see UMS Thursday also had that selling, and Friday, Monday, Tuesday, today all recovered. So therefore, Franken lagging. Whether it will recover or not tomorrow or by Friday, we will know. So it must clear this level. It must clear the level over here, 1.83. If you can clear 1.83 and start to trend above it, you realize, it is just a normal uptrend, just a pullback in the uptrend. This is the one that the pullback was very serious in May. This is the one. Okay, like want to crash like that, guys. You see? If I cover what happened in June, July, you will think that, wow, Franken is going to crash. But no, you must understand the company that you are buying. Franken 3-star is the main cost. The earnings is super good. So therefore, this kind of stock, it will recover. So again, you look for BIC, you look for a high-ranking stock. Your job as a trader, as an investor will become easier. 就係咁簡單。Okay, so Franken, we are looking at it to resume its uptrend. Okay, Franken part 3. Oh, Franken part 3, because we make 2 rounds already, is it? Okay, right, next. Still got what stock, right? Next. You see, 福来 Nano Firm 讲了 SPH 没有什么好看的，不要讲了。SPH nothing to see. Nano Firm already completed. Wilma, okay, 来。Now Wilma, I decided to cut and don't want to trade it anymore because the price fluctuation, right, is very volatile. And if you trade Wilma, guys, you need to Google CPO price every day. Very tiring. So therefore, I start to consolidate my position into a few stock and I want to add to the winner. You see? This CPO price is the palm oil price. So you can see it was going up. Then last few days, it was coming down and then going up and now coming down. So Wilmar price is very affected by this. So therefore, it is not very easy. And I think a lot of time need to go and forecast what is the palm oil doing. News-wise, India is going to import more palm oil, either from Malaysia or from Indonesia. So either way, Wilmar should benefit. But the price is subjected to the swing. Now, before June 29, right, the CPO price actually was coming down damn bloody hard. Okay, is it here? Not here. Okay, it was coming down very hard. So therefore, Wilmar was under a lot of pressure. So now it starts to bounce accordingly with the CPO price. But I find it very bothersome to need to check the palm oil price, in order to time the entry. So 懒惰啦, lazy lah. I go for easier trade. Okay, I go for easier trade. Like what is the easier trade? Union Gas law, iFast law. These are the easier one ma. Okay, let me see. Got one more easier one. 扬子江 lah, very easy also ma. 扬子江係咪? Let me see. Got what else on my list is very easy one. Nano also very easy ma. In other words, okay, if in retrospect, if since January I somewhat stock also don't touch, I just focus my money on these 4 stock, right? I will make a lot of money, man. Okay, so this is the halfway mark in June already. So the 下半身, the second half of the year, it's time for me to consolidate into a few stock that I think the earnings is visible for the next half, that they are going to make more money, growth, and then buy more. Okay, instead of here trade, there trade. So I may cut down on my appetizer trade and focus more on my main course. Okay, so that is Wilmar for you. Let's take a look at the weekly chart of Wilmar. See, weekly chart of Wilmar also no BIC, daily chart also no BIC. 等到心痛very boring, waiting for Wilmar. So therefore, I decided to you hang on. Just now someone slammed the door. Also, I think it is very wasting time. Okay, so like next stop, AEM. Okay, AEM. I think it's trending up, so there's no re-entry opportunity yet. It's still going up. Okay, what you want to buy AEM is when it pulls back like this, and when you see the BIC. Now, before it goes up, can you see BIC, guys? Can you see AEM? Can you see got BIC? So therefore, this is the kind of pattern that I want. Then only I dare to take breakout trade. I dare to buy at the low. So this one is on the way up. On the way up, I don't like to chase. Okay, I like to buy after consolidation, because during the consolidation, we are able to identify whether the stock is BIC or not. So when you see BIC, everything is simpler and easier. Okay, LHN 讲了 Hong Leong Asia. I also got out of my Hong Leong Asia because I find waste of time waiting and waiting. Okay, I don't like to wait. If wait sitting on profit is okay lah. This one ding dong from profit to loss, it didn't make a decisive move upwards. Okay, so this is Hong Leong Asia. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Okay, it's a 3-star stock. So you can see Hong Leong Asia. Now remember, look at the chart, look at the high volume, white candle, marvelous, delicious. Okay, but these 2 candles have to watch out. You can see there's long upper tail. Long upper tail means that the stock, the price is unable to close at the candle's high. For this to happen, the stock has encountered selling. Very simple. It has encountered selling. Okay, and it happened on a high volume day. But tapi generally in the context, it is consolidating. So it is okay to kind of sell so long you don't go and break lower and give us a long black with high volume. Then that will be bearish. So Hong Leong Asia, it is still consolidating. The chart is still bullish. You go to the daily chart, you can see that there is BICs. There are BICs. 哇，我现在看了，我好像很喜欢呢。Okay. Excuse me, let me take a sip of water. I think the durian is acting up already finally. Wow. This time round, the MSW, I hope you're saying. very creamy, very thick. The seed very small. Wow, sure. Okay, like Hong Leong Asia. Okay, Hong Leong Asia. I hope. Okay, guys, those of you members, I hope maybe we can get back in applying the smarter way to buy low. I think $1 is too high. I prefer to buy when it's near the support. Okay, hopefully it can pull back on low volume at the support, and then the long will happen way below $1. That will be the best for Hong Leong Asia. But okay, we scared that it suddenly tomorrow or Thursday, pom, one white candle chong all the way. Then the risk reward not too good and it go up suddenly, right? Those usually caught me by surprise one. Very hard to buy. Okay, but this is a 3-star stock. This is a 3-star stock. So 可以看. I think can 研究. We can research a bit. Oh, you see the earnings? Strong. The earning is very strong. Okay, earning is very strong. But the pips is very high. Okay, 10%. So this is doing at 25%. 25% pips projection. So the upside may be limited for Hong Leong Asia. Okay. Anyway, I have decided to focus my firepower on a few stocks. So maybe Hong Leong Asia, I will give it a miss. Those of you who are interested in Hong Leong Asia, take note, the upside may be limited because from the pips table, okay, for you to go to 102, right, 10, 20, 30 in, you will need, it means the market is pricing in 30% growth in the earnings per share. Earnings per share for the first half 2021. Okay, 20%. Sorry, not 20%, 10, 20, 30. 30% growth. Okay, if the stock goes to 102, okay, right here, you see why the stock, okay, why the stock cannot go above 103, 102. This level for Hong Leong Asia, 103, 102 is a earnings projection of 30%. 30%. So you are effectively betting that the next earning coming in, Hong Leong Asia can report 30% growth in earnings. If it cannot, then the price will come down. If you can do it like this consistently, then no problem. 102 also no problem. That is what we look at Hong Leong Asia for. Okay? Wow, a lot of info. I hope you can digest. Now everybody interested in my MSW. Here 不方便讲啦，不方便讲 cannot anyhow do advertisement. Cannot anyhow do advertisement. Next time maybe member I share with you in the learning broadcast tomorrow. When the durian only come on Wednesday and Sunday night. Wednesday and Sunday night. Maybe tomorrow I share with you all. I check with the suppliers still got. Okay, that is for Hong Leong Asia. And what else? What else? Thai beverage. Okay, Thai beverage is also one stock I have given up waiting for it. Waste time lah. I see Propnex so strong. Why? Okay. Guys, let me show you this. Okay, as an investor, our money must grow, correct or not? So if your money is in Thai beverage like me, I was in Thai beverage. I was waiting, but the situation in Thailand is getting bad to worse. Now they have this Delta variant there, and again lockdown Bangkok. So Propnex, you can see the same period from February to July. Bloody Thai beverage is coming down lower and lower. But bloody Propnex is going from February. Okay, I draw the again for you. February. Okay, Propnex is up 142.9%. Then Thai beverage is down. Okay, Thai beverage is down 18%. Lose 18% is small matter. Missing out on 142% gain is very heart pain. You understand what I'm saying? If you understand what I'm saying, give me a thumbs up. Right? Give me a thumbs up if you understand what I'm saying. Give me a thumbs up if you understand what I'm saying. You know, in trading, it was never the losses that bother me. It is always the missed opportunity. Those stocks where you research, you studied, and you know it's going to do well, and you miss the big run. Those are the ones that will like, that is like you taken the second vaccine dose and then your heart fail on you. Was very simple one. Lose no problem, because whatever you lose, you are able to make back one, no problem. So long you got the discipline to cut. You don't gonna blue mon ah. Don't gonna blue mon ah. Blue mon in the first place not a good stock to own ma. But stock like Propnex, walao eh, Propnex is a proper stock law. Propnex is a proper legit stock. You see Propnex. You see Propnex. It is a good stock like. It is a main dish like. It is a main dish. Why sit in Thai beverage and miss Propnex? Wow, I also bang head you. So therefore, I decided, okay lah, Thai beverage, don't waste my time. Then I transfer my money into Propnex during this rally. 厉害吗？厉害吗？ Into this rally. From 150 right all the way to 170 and get out 170. I got out at 170 because of this bloody black candle lah. Bloody black candle, high volume. I get out of it. One of my sell rule. Oh, so this is trading. Your money must keep working hard for you. Okay, working hard for you. So in Thai beverage, I think wrong lah. Don't but in Thai beverage lor. Highlight like GKE, like Tony Fu say like GKE. 对啦 ，GKE every time I see I don't know why 嘞，我看一次就要骂他一次诶 ，GKE。I was so right about the stock, but I got shaken out by last Thursday's candle. Then after that, continue to go up. So every day, a lot of people are cursing at GKE. So the price, okay. Now, when I sell on last Thursday, right? I missed this run. Okay, okay, so I was waiting for the stock to pull back so I can buy lower. But Manazai never pull back and straight away rocket up. Shit like this happen. Okay, because like for example, OAJ, I managed to net the 150% gain on OAJ here. Okay, you see okay, guys, this one is a very good lesson for you. So you can learn from this. Smart people learn from the mistake of others. So I'm going to share with you this lesson so that it can help you. Now for OAJ, Fortress Mineral, when I bought at 30 over cent because of the BIC, okay, if you can see this BIC, you see the method is the same, the stock is different. Can you see? Method is the same, chart reading the same, stock is different. So you want to buy the right one. Okay, and then after that it starts to break upwards. Okay, it break upwards very powerfully in April, all the way non-stop. Can you see? All the way non-stop. So where did I sell? Sell here lor. Okay, I sold here or sell here. So here. Okay, the method is the same. Now in Fortress Mineral, I sell correctly. If I never sell Fortress Mineral, my profit okay, my 150% profit, I buy lower than this 33 cent. Here. Okay, so 150% gain. Okay, 134% gain. So if I never sell when I see the black candle, end up I sell here, right? 30% of the profit gone. Or worse, if I still hanging on today, refuse to sell, my profit becomes 92%. Then become 假尾落, 困尾落 already. Correct. So while it happens in GKE, I missed that run. By following the same rule, I managed to net maximum profit for Fortress Mineral. So in the end, it is just annoying that GKE go up, but 话又说回来, when the rule triggered, you just have to act. Because this kind of rule, I don't develop overnight. This kind of rule is from years of experience trading and looking at the chart. Usually see this, the stock price will come down. So for GKE, it works the other way. So once in a while, a stock like GKE will come and hurt you. Okay, so that is one lesson I want to share with everybody. Good for you guys. Good for you. If good for you, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. 有学到东西吗？ You learn something? Okay, Food Empire. Okay, Food Empire. Let's see Food Empire. Food Empire. Hey, by the way, tonight video is not going to be recorded. So after tonight, it will be erased and we will be uploading it to the members only zone. So members, you will see it in the Chart Nexus Academy. But for those of you who are non-member, you have to write down. You will no longer be able to view the video. So Food Empire, will it be the next GKE? I don't think so. I don't see any BIC. I don't see any BIC. In fact, I think I have mentioned it a couple of times. If Del Monte goes up, I may swap my food empire with Del Monte. You understand what I'm saying? It's just that because I didn't buy too high in food empire, the loss doesn't bother me. The paper loss doesn't bother me. It is less than 0.5% of my total trading account, so bearable. So if it starts to break down, annoy me, right? Then I will divorce food empire, and then I will buy another food processing company that is going up. You see, this one is only 1 star. The uptrend already finished. So this one 已经没有利用价值了 to me. No, what you call that? No use already lah to me. Slowing down already. I want fast horse. I want dark horse because the stock market is very volatile, correct not? So if you have a chance to make quick buck, don't make slowly. You make slowly, later bear market comes. You see, last Thursday was a dress rehearsal. Last Thursday was a dress rehearsal of if the market start to tank, what would you do? I see a lot of people will not do anything. Then just tahan. Then Friday, have you heard of the story of the boy who cried wolf? First time he laughed at people, second time he laughed at people, third time the people never come, the wolf eat the boy. Okay, so therefore to me last Thursday was a dress rehearsal for you to practice. Okay, do you know how to get out of the stock or not? Or if you start to fall in love with your stock and you refuse to cut, if it starts to go lower and lower, that is why people always lose money in the stock market. Okay, so that's for food empire. So I have gone through a lot of stock already. So you all know roughly how I look for the opportunity. So now I'm going to go through my screener here. This is my screener that I use every night. So I have dumped 3 strategies into the system so that it will generate and trigger those stocks that has satisfied my strategy. Now these are the 3 strategies. So I'm going to sort it by the rank because I want to look at the highest rank first. 13th of July is today, right? Yeah, today is 13 号. Okay, so wow, quite a number of stocks, 22 stocks. Let's go to the price chart. Okay, and go down the list. Kim Lee Kopitiam. Kim Lee Kopitiam, do you see BIC, guys? Wow, 一开就看到 BIC. Okay, you see this is last week candle. This one is the one that is pulling back. Oh yeah. Strength index. Let's talk about strength index first. Forgot to talk about strength index. Where are we now? Now, those of you who are inside the Telegram channel, you have heard my broadcast at lunch, right? So that was last Thursday. Okay, last Thursday, the stock sold off and hit the support line, which I call it endearingly our sapu line. Okay, sapu is a Malay word for buying low. Okay, for collecting, for collection, for wanting to buy. So this is our sapu line for now because the second half of June, that consolidation, that pullback in the stock market, we supported at this level. So Thursday when it falls, last Thursday when it falls, it was also supported and now starts to bounce. Now in July, I am bullish, like I said many times already. Tonight, I think 3rd time already. So therefore, my anticipation is it has got room to climb. You see, current level is 68%. Next level is 84%. So only upon 80%, I will be careful because last few times go to 80%, all coming down. Okay. So now if it starts to go to 80%, then only worry. Now got room to climb. So this week, hopefully, if God's willing, this week by Friday, today, Tuesday, right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, hopefully soon slowly go up all the way to Friday. Every day up 2-3% for us. By Friday, maybe we collect a total of 8% for one stock. Also not too bad, right? Also, this is my anticipation that it should continue to climb. Okay. Now, Nasdaq now is up 40 points. Very strong, the US market. So I believe we got nothing to worry about for our Franken, UMS, AEM, ISDN. Grand Venture also no problem. Okay, so that is the 4 heavenly kings, 4大天王 of the technology stock in Singapore. Kim Lee, can buy or not? Daily chart, you can see that. Whoa, what is this? This is the setup right now. This is the setup, right? So you can see BIC is on the chart. And why is it up? I think earnings is coming up. Nope, earnings is already out. So the next time it's going to report earnings will be in November. Then let's see. 41 cents is 10-20, so it's about 20% plus at the current share price. Then you need to apply some common sense. Can it achieve 20% growth? First half 2021, no problem. Second half, I think Kimley shouldn't be a problem, right? Because the kopitiam, they continue to collect rental from the store. There is no provision for their rental. So therefore, I think the earnings should be still strong. Okay, to be still strong. So therefore, Kimley is definitely a BIC chart. Next one, so qualify, Kimley qualify. CSC Global, wow, this stock damn bloody slow. You know my style, too slow, no BIC, I skip. Del Monte is the one that is beautiful. Okay, so members, you can set up your VT level for Del Monte, and then we will add another line. I will add another line in case border break 42. I want to know. Okay, I want to know. So I draw this line. I put expiry date on 7th of August. Okay, so what I've done is I've set an alert line on 42 cents. So if the stock trades at 42 and above, it will trigger an alert to my Telegram. Those of you who never know Telegram. 对 Jack Tan is right. They acquire 可爱鸡 Tender Fresh. Okay, Tender Fresh. So this is the 可爱鸡 Okay, 可爱鸡. Sorry. This is the 42 cent alert line. So it will send an alert to the Telegram. And how does it look like? Like this, guys. Like this. Okay. So nowadays, you don't need to sit in front of the computer the whole day to look at the stock market. Alert line that you plotted will trigger to your Telegram. Okay, so it's installed. Telegram is installed on your mobile phone, so wherever you are, you receive an alert. Then only you act on the stock. Meanwhile, what do? You do your work. You do your house chore. You can also go to the gym, go to the swim, whatever you want. Netflix also can. So long you receive an alert, then you jump up. Okay. Otherwise, if you whole day very quiet, it means that the market didn't move much. Then you don't need to waste your time to come to the computer. Very, very convenient. Okay, very, very convenient. Next one, Franken. Hey, this 可爱鸡 is also my favorite leh. My first time with 可爱鸡 is at Clementi. I used to study in Singapore Poly so there's one coffee shop at block 450 Those of you who stay in the West Clementi, you should know 450 that's beside the NTUC or the coffee shop still there. Last week I went to Park Clementi then I went past. Wow, 回忆汹涌而来Okay, I spent a lot of time at the coffee shop. One teh C and the 半只鸡可爱鸡 very nice. Okay, so let's continue. Franken, okay, Franken we talked a lot about it already, so we will want to the NTUC Toto, NTUC still there That is why my result very poor in poly Every time sit at the kopitiam latte and eat 可爱鸡 If only I was as hardworking as now, maybe I already become a lawyer or a doctor. Okay, never mind, come back. Franken, like I said, we are waiting for it to show us a long white. Okay, a long white. Also, BIC, definitely, you go to the weekly chart, is also BIC. Also, this is how we look for stock. Otherwise, 900 stock, we one stock by one stock open up. So this is the shortcut, the list of stock. We just need to focus on the list of stock. And you can see another semiconductor stock comes up, Grand Venture. Another semiconductor stock comes up, Grand Venture. But Grand Venture, I not so like it because it is at a high, it's at the all-time high. I like it when it pull back, then easier to buy. But this one at the all-time high, very hard for me to sell. Too high. Also, this one I will not touch. Okay, my eyeball is on ISDN, on Franken. These are the two that I'm eyeing. Samudera Shipping. 只恨相见太晚. Okay, I have never believed Samudera can go much faster than Costco. So I was waiting for Costco and hopefully can buy Costco. But Costco, in the end, okay, later I show you what happened to Costco. But for Samudera, it's a main cost, it's a main cost stock, ranking 3-star. This one, right, 我真的有眼无珠. I really got eye nosy on all. This one, really. I 看不起它 I look down on this company. Okay, I just didn't bother to understand this company. 3-star and you see it is a BIC stock You see the high volume? You see it is a BIC stock. Let me just zoom in more for you. Before it flew up, right, you can see BIC Samudera. So this one is really 有眼无珠. Okay. So I live to repent. So the next time if you give me another 再来一次的机会的话 if I have another chance, okay, if I manage to find the Pandora box, I will travel back to the past and buy it. So right now, too late. So it is now doing consolidation, which is good. We want to see BIC. Do we see BIC? I don't see BIC. You see this black candle or not? High volume. You see this black candle or not? High volume. So the easy meet for Samudera already over. Or people already make one round. It is like buying new launch in Singapore. Or like those people who bought the canopy. They already make one round. Those people who early buy during the launch, right now they are able to sell at a higher price. So now if you go into Samudera, it's like you are helping the first owner to make money. Also, there is no clear there's no clear BIC chart right now, so I'm not going to invest in it yet. I just want to wait. Okay, I just want to wait. Your ranking is not as what my sequence is because you missed a step, Sharat Kotari. You missed a step. Okay, so you go to tomorrow you email to et@chinaresearch.com to find out how to do it, guys. Okay, so Q&M Dental, let's see. Q&M Dental, where is the buying? Where's the buying? Okay, before it flew up, in June, right? Before it flew up, you can see, did you see BIC? No, don't have. Here got shooting star, here got shooting star. So even if I was there, right, I would not dare to buy this stock. Okay, I will not dare to buy this stock. So there's no BIC, and now there is also no BIC. So it's like the DBS. It will not have BIC one, this stock. So my strategy will not work on Q&M. My strategy will work on a specific type of stock. Okay, and I will wait for it. I will hunt it. I'll wait for it. I'm like a farmer, guys. I'm like a farmer. I only want to plant durian tree. So I cannot plant durian tree and also have watermelon and also have rambutan and have mango all over the place. No, I specialize in one type of chart. BIC. Okay, BIC. Yeah, Q&M COVID testing. I keep forgetting. I don't know whether is it that first dosage of the vaccine. Become very forgetful. Q&M. I remember you told me before, Jack, COVID testing. I think every time I talk about this, you remind me. Thank you very much, Jack. I give you one like. Thank you for helping me out. I keep forgetting. Bloody hell. Oh, already. Okay, like Sino Star Pack. This one I don't want. Oil and gas, I want to skip. Oil and gas. Okay, oil and gas, palm oil, all these commodities. I don't like the extra work that needs to be done. That means to track the oil price, to track the palm oil price. See, very tiring. I think Franken, all this easier. iFast is the easiest of this year. Okay, last year the easiest one is Matex. So this year is iFast. Okay, Sinotech 不要. Then let me see any more or not. 好像没有了哦. Okay, ISDN we spoke about it already. Now SIA 可怜SIA. Let me spend a little bit of time on SIA. Okay, SIA is not going up because Singapore was ready to do air travel bubble with Hong Kong or Australia, but people don't want to travel with us. So no choice, cannot fly. SIA still cannot fly yet. Or as of the chart form now, I don't have any interest in it yet. Okay, the longer it drags for SIA, the longer it drags, the more cash it will burn. So I'm very worried it will raise cash again. So therefore, I am avoiding SIA for now until we have an easier chart. When we talk about SIA, we have to take a look at sets. Okay, let's take a look at sets. Do we have an opportunity in sets? Sets used to have an easier chart than SIA. Even that advantage is neutralized. Okay, totally no BIC. It used to have BIC over here, before it went up. Okay, it used to have a BIC, but it was short-lived. Go up only, come down. Okay, and COVID cases now, we have this KTV cluster, very potent KTV cluster. So we don't know how many men are affected and they bring the virus home. So wow, 糟糕. This one really, we see what Minister Ong Ye Kung comment is tonight during the press briefing for COVID and what happened to the cluster. Do they manage to do contact trace for everybody? Or if they're able to? So I think the the KTV hostess, they must also carry the check-in. So anybody who touch them, right, they must check in their token. So contact trace will be easier, ma. Correct? Okay, wow, so let's go. Very bad, keep joking about the KTV. But 真的很好笑嘛。Okay, let's come back to Sembawang Corp industry. Sembawang Corp industry, we also like. Okay, we also like, but it is not the time now, okay, because you don't see BIC. We used to make money from the easier time. Let me show you the easier time. This is where it cut off the Sembawang Corp Marine. Then after that, it go up. So this is the easier time, okay? So let me show you. Before it go up, really it's got BIC. You see? Really it's got BIC. How do I know? Because we traded there last year, October. So this is the what we want to see in some corp industry. It's consolidating sideways, but you can see there's BIC. But now it's consolidating sideways. We do not see BIC. So no BIC. What do we do, guys? Let me ask you this question. If you don't see BIC during this consolidation, what do you do? Can someone answer me? 如果你没有看到 BIC。应该怎么做？What do you do if you don't see BIC? Come, please enlighten me. Crystal Pay, wait. Wait. 对了 wait, skip, wait. Correct, guys. You got it. You got the essence correct. We shall wait, we shall skip. So you see, don't need to put your money if there's now no movement here. Okay, I want to share with you this statement. You see whether correct or not. If there's no movement in the stock, your money is safer in your bank than inside the stock. You agree with me, right? Your money is safer in your bank rather than you just anyhow put into the stock. Because anything happen in US, pop, come down below $2, you down there curse and swear. Walao 212 明明 is support support. This is the very basic of a technical analysis. Okay, anyone who practice technical analysis will tell you, hey, this is the support level, support zone. So okay, just buy . Then you wait, ding dong. Then anything happen in the global market, sell off, pop, break below the support, then you down there curse and swear. This is how people lose money. Okay, so have to be careful. Don't anyhow just buy as support. No BIC, just wait no hurry Okay, so that's all for the list of stocks over here. So we have talked about a number of stocks and quite a few potential, I will say, from one particular industry, and that is the semiconductor industry, the most easiest to understand the demand, the business. This week, like I said, those of you who joined the webinar late, this week we have got the Singapore non-oil export data on Friday, and I think the GDP number on Wednesday or Thursday. I stand to be corrected on the days. I only got to heard about it in the morning when I was preparing my coffee, when Avril was reporting in the Channel News Asia. Now, you know, Channel News Asia, there are two presenters, right? Julie and Avril. Avril will do the business news, right? Every time she dressed in red, I very scared. She stand beside the index, the Nikkei, Australia, New Zealand, or the index. Wow, if she dressed red, right, it will influence the index to open red. 不吉利, no, 不吉利. So better she dress green color Then with the big green arrow pointing up, so nice, right? 好啦，开玩笑。Okay. So those of you who feel that tonight you learn a lot of things, you expose yourself to this chart, right? Give me a thumbs up, please. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up to acknowledge that today very beneficial. You learn a lot. Okay, thank you very much for the thumbs up, for the early thumbs up. Thank you very much. Now, all the above, whatever I talk about is just for entertainment purposes or people wear red dress or whatever is none of our business. It's just entertainment for all of you, because doing online webinar like this, Facebook Live, I cannot be swearing like Wang Lei. Wang Lei. Wang Lei. You call him wrong, call him Chen Lei, he will school you KNN one, you know. So I have to find other joke, other joke. Okay, so yep, let me go to my powerful slide. When I come to my powerful slide, some of you will start to leave already. Okay, so powerful slide. This is the summary of what you have learned tonight. Okay, I want to share with you for those of you who are new to investment to trading. Okay, when you go to the stock market, now you must already have you want to make money from the stock market attitude. Okay, that part you have to motivate yourself. You have to go and find a reason for you to want to make money. So I leave it to you. Now, once you have decided you come to the stock market, you don't know how to start, this summary will help you. You want to first decide what to buy. Okay, what to buy, you don't look for stock randomly. You want to understand what is the industry at play currently. Like now we are talking about the semiconductor, right? We're talking about COVID. Last year was COVID team play. Now this season, I believe semiconductors should be doing well. And then SIA is for post-pandemic play. Now we know KTV got 19 cases. So maybe Hantataki again, cannot fly again. So these are called industry team. Catalyst. Catalyst will be a company won contract. Okay, company won contract. Company has a new product. Those are like catalysts for the company price to go up. So with these two in mind, okay, that will give you an idea of what group of stocks to focus on. And then you use the technical chart. You look for BIC. Okay, BIC, and then you are able to trade the breakout or the buy low if you get this right. Now, guys, if I see BIC in any other stock that doesn't fulfill my industry theme or my catalyst, I do not know why the heck is it going up. I will not touch. 不熟不懂，明白吗? Okay, don't invest in anything that you don't understand. Like for example, don't invest in what is that thing that the agar-wood. You don't know what is agar-wood, don't invest in agar-wood. You don't know what is Philippine project condo, don't go and invest. Simple as that. Okay, there are a lot of scams going on. So those money game especially, don't understand, don't invest. Similar to trading, you must understand what you are buying. If you don't understand, even the chart, very beautiful, right? Don't be tempted. Okay, don't be tempted. There's a Chinese song for this, Chinese song for this. 路边的野花不要采. Same. Okay, now, after you know when to buy, you need to know when to sell. So when to sell, you look for weakness. So I have my list of sell rules. So you must define your list of sell rules. So when the sell rule triggered, you must act like a robot. This is very important, guys. 不要跟我讲舍不得, no. Don't tell me, when the time moment comes, right? I can't bear to sell. This stock give me so much profit. This stock is a dividend stock. You try 2008. I tell you, 2008, DBS selling at $6. Okay. From $16 drop all the way to $6. You tell me give dividend. Okay, I think you will sell at $6 because it's too painful already. Everybody got stunned. So when to sell, you must have your defined rules and you stick to it. Okay, no exception. Otherwise, you are bound to get into serious problem over the long run. I've seen so many people got hurt by this. So this is the when to sell. Okay, so who is this person behind the voice tonight? 各位观众, dear brother and sister, 各位乡亲父老, my name is Yihua, Director of Chart Nexus. Thank you for coming again tonight to listen to this webinar. And I hope I have provided you with massive value that you can take away with you tonight as you go to bed, and also help you in your investment. Those of you who are new, okay, I was there like you many years ago, started, and I remember the first $500 to win in the stock market was so difficult. Okay, buy wrong stock, buy already, don't know why the stock don't move. Stock move already, buy too high. When stock market is going, buy a support must see because the stock go lower. So I've been through all that. That is why it shaped my stock selection criteria, and it gives me a set of principles all from my experience. So today you are not successful, it is because you are buying the wrong stock and you don't have a proper strategy to do it. Okay, I've been trading for 17 years, exposed to the market for 17 years. First 3 years is lose money, guys. My first 3 years is lose money. Can you tahan or not? Even NS is only 2.5 years. Okay, even NS is 2.5 years. Even Japanese occupation is only 3 years 3年0.8个月3 years and 8 months I bloody lose money in the stock market for the first 3 years. Okay, it is very painful, but this is what I live by. 买股票可以输钱，但不要输掉信心 because that is something I want to pursue. And if other people can do it, why I cannot do it? So I continue to try and finally manage to sengmok and know how to do it. Okay, so that took me 3 years to figure out. Before my 4th year, I start to win money. And you take a look at the time. 2004, you plus 3 is 2007. 2007 and 2008 is the time where I make money during the bull market. Okay, so if you are never there during the bad time and you give up, if I have given up just 2 years into trying, I will never have made money in the bull market in 2007. Understand or not? So today, if you're not doing well in the stock market, persevere, but make sure you're doing the right thing. Don't do the wrong thing and you persevere, it's going to be pointless. This is my realized P&L for the 2 markets that I'm trading for the first half of 2021. Okay, so this is the realized gain. So for Singapore market, right, the realized gain is slightly below 75,000. I believe it should be 71,000 thereabouts. And I'm further sitting on about today, closing, right, 32.6K unrealized gains. Okay, there are very powerful trend that I'm still hanging on to the stock for 1 year already. So like iFast, Union Gas, Yangzijiang, those are my 3 biggest winners sitting in my portfolio. Okay, so therefore, this is realized gain, already money in the pocket, and another additional 32K. You add them together, about 100K in 1 year. Okay, so this is Bursa. Bursa is the Malaysia market. So I started in the wrong time. COVID-19, go down. Then after that, the stock, and then I started to win. And this is a big jump. This big jump is because I make money from the glove stocks, the Super Max are the top glove. So I was riding the profit of these top glove and Super Max, and I was in and out of other stock. And then when I finally found a reason to sell the top glove and the Super Max, so the realized gain jumped. And then currently sitting on slightly above 112,000. Okay, slightly 112,000 realized gains. Okay, realized gain in the 2 market. So I want to tell you, this is the result of 10年的功夫10年的时间 10 years. I took so long to be able to be so confident and so comfortable and know what to buy and sell in the stock market from my experience. So what has helped me is the trade review, is also my set of rules, okay, that I can depend on. So today, if you are struggling, this should inspire you that someone like me who has started losing for the first 3 years can do it, so can you. Okay, so can you. 敢懂？敢不懂？敢不敢懂？敢不敢懂？ If you feel inspired, please give me a favor of likes. Inspired, like you are not doing very well now. There is a fellow Singaporean can do it. How come you cannot? That means there's hope. There is hope. 来，再给你看 guys, 再给你看。I can only show you my realized gain and losses. So I don't want to show you the stock name. Okay, later people blindly follow. So this is the Singapore stock market portfolio. You know, this is Lim and Tan platform. Lim and Tan. Let me see, can see my name. Cannot see my name. So this is the 32,000 I was talking about. Okay. So this is the iFast. This one is iFast. iFast 23,000 profit. Okay. So this is real. Okay. So if I can do it, so can you. Next. Now, before COVID-19, I was traveling around the region doing seminar like this, meeting a lot of people. So come COVID-19, now everything is done online, just like Tuesday. So every Tuesday, I will be talking about Singapore stock. Feel free to join me. Feel free to show your friends to come online on Tuesday. Our number of viewers tonight, I took a quick glance, 600, at least 600. My 梦想 is to hit 1,000. So far, still very far, 400 views to go. Okay, so hopefully I can hit 1,000. So help me, please. So yeah, every Tuesday is Singapore, every Wednesday is Bursa market. So these are the 2 markets I cover currently. So feel free to join me if you are interested to pick stocks together with me and look at the screener result together with me. Okay, look for the 3-star, 4-star generals. Now, Traders Club focus is we are focusing on what stock to buy and we'll follow through with a trade life cycle, i.e. we are all trading together as a club. We identify potential stock and we will discuss the best strategy to trade these stocks. Okay, so if you're looking for a very focused group, club that is always talking about making money, this is the club to join. Everybody will go through this 5-stage trader progression. Like many of you, first 3 years, I say I lost money. Okay, first 3 years before I start to become sengmok and know how to do it in the stock market. So if you want to save time, save money, and you are stuck in the first 3 stages, don't know how to break into consistent profit, this is the trading plan that you need to learn, and that is from my SGX mentorship program. So once you join my mentorship program, I will be hand-holding you and teaching you trade by trade. Okay, I am not going to train you just over the weekend and then expect you to do by yourself. No, every single trade that I take, members take, we all discuss, you will be there to listen and then you will learn and then you can apply. So it's like on the job training. Okay, learn as you earn program. Wow, 真漂亮 Learn as you earn program. 真的没有骗你的哦 Really is learn as you earn program. Okay, my members are here tonight. They can vouch. Really is learn together. So this is the fundamental analysis. Profitable companies. You will learn how to identify profitable companies and then how to identify the sector in play based on news, based on information. Okay, that we will deduce that this industry should be reporting better earnings in the next quarter or in the next half. So that will be the fundamental analysis that you will learn in the program. And the technical analysis is the multi-time frame. How do you look for BIC? There are many different ways to identify BIC. Tonight, I only expose you to one way, which is the easiest way, that at least you can protect yourself. Then after that, more deeper technical analysis skills that you need to pick up from the program that will help you to time your entry into those good companies. Okay, like for example, iFast 6块3你不要买，你买9块咩？ Correct or not? You can buy the good company, buy right, but you buy the wrong price, must be yam gong ma. People buy $6.30, you go and buy $9. Tao kap hai. Correct or not? So therefore, timing is also important. We want to, as much as possible, buy at the right moment. Just when the chart is showing they have a buyer in control and it's going to go up, that's the moment we buy. Okay, these two are what you will learn from the program. This is where your value is. Okay, this is where the value is, because I am providing you this mentorship that I believe is second to none in Singapore. I think I can say that, second to none in Singapore. Mentorship, how do I do it? Learning broadcast. For every trade that I take, I document it down and I share with you so that you understand what I am looking at. Okay, and you learn from real trading example. So let me show you one sample. Okay, let me show you one sample. This learning broadcast will be sent to your mobile phone. Okay, call the communicator in your mobile phone. I'm showing you the web-based. Okay, like Franken today on the hourly chart, I explained, hey, why is it bullish? Okay, hourly chart for nano firm. Why is it bullish? Okay, so I explained to the members. And warning, last Thursday, we have a big warning. So I was there to highlight, hey, these are the stocks that has got their weak candle. So please pay attention. It's time to protect your profit or to consolidate your position. So this is the warning post that I sent on Thursday. And I used to have yen lot, then I sold yen lot and moved them into GKE just before it break up. Okay, so this is one trade. I explain why. I explain why over here. Okay, and every week we have a webinar, so later you will see. Thai beverage. I used to own Thai beverage. Like I said, I think fed up, sold it and moved into Wilma, which subsequently, because of the selling on Thursday, I also sold it. Okay, then we have got Propnex. Yes, this is the wonderful trade on Propnex. The timing is impeccable, guys. You see, this is the BIC chart. So when I want to trade Propnex, I will highlight the chart and show you that, hey, this is the BIC we talked about, ma. The moment is here. Very high volume. So the moment is here. So you own self decide if you want to trade or not. Okay, so these are all the trades that we have taken. Okay, so you can see all has got documentation down to show you BIC over here, ISDN 64 hall already we are in already. Okay, so these are all the things that you learn in the program. It's just that when it comes to application, you still need a lao jiao like me to guide you along. Or you still need an old bird like me to guide you along so that your journey in the stock market is more smooth and it will take 1 year. You give me 1 year of your life, okay, I will transform the way you invest and you will be on your way to creating better returns in the stock market. So every week, there will be a weekly training webinar held on Monday evening, 7:45 p.m. Have your dinner, okay, settle your family and get online. Then we will look at the whole week of the week, the stocks for the week, okay, what to focus on. Then we'll discuss the strategy to trade them. Then we also have a daily market commentary for all the members to mingle around. Networking time. Where is the networking time? Let me find for you. 阴沟里翻船. Because my laptop key already, this is a new laptop. I forgot to on the mentorship page to show you. Give me one moment, it's loading. Okay, 来了. I'm on the other screen preparing the mentorship page. There you go. So as a member, right, you will have access to the Traders Club Singapore private invite page. Okay, so inside this page, you can see we have got our daily communication. There you go, 13th of July. So we are talking about start chit-chatting here lah, mingling. This is the chance for you to ask trading question. Okay, about stocks, about money management, about portfolio, anything about trading. This is 9 to 5, open at 9, from 9 to 5. Talk stock, eat stock, sleep stock. Over here. So you can feel free to ask any question over here. Okay, so then your training videos guys. Your training video is at our academy. Okay, and you will have lifelong access to the academy videos. Okay, let me show you our Chart Nexus Academy. Wait, let me show you. See, every day got many people look for me to ask question one, you know. So wait, let me look for you the. 这边这样子找，好像不是最好的方法哦。这样子找 ，OK， wait 啦 ，Chart Nexus Academy，Chart Nexus Online Academy. There you go. Chart Nexus Trading Academy. You cannot find this group one, it's only for members. Okay, only for members. Private group only for members. So inside here, all our training guides is yours for the lifetime. Okay, for the lifetime. So once you join one time, this training video is yours for the lifetime. So whenever you need refreshment is to eat. Okay, if you need to refresh your knowledge, come here and view the videos. Okay, come here and view the videos. So there you go. These are all the videos available to you for your training. So once you go through them, you will understand how to apply the trading strategy, and then it will work wonderfully with the rest of my mentorship over here. Okay, so that is where all the training videos are held. Now, this is one good trade on Propnex taken earlier in the year. So one good trade in Propnex yields 2.6K. Okay. Sembawang Corp Industry 2.7K. Now you take a look at the position. 10,600 of 1.69 stock. So that will be about $18,000. So today you may be already investing this amount in the stock market, but you are buying the wrong stock. Therefore, you make money very gangko. You cannot make it. Last time I also like that. Buy the wrong stock. Those that are not moving. Buy already, you see other stock going up, you down there, ayo, 几时才到哦？这种心情我了解。I fully understand how you feel. Okay, so therefore, if you want to get into the right stock, join this program. Let's do this together. Okay, now if you think 2.7K, so how about 6.4K Union Gas? You see, I cannot control how much the stock rises. Okay, I can only try when there's a good chart, there's a good stock that I want, and sometimes the stock will move more than what I anticipated, like Union Gas 6.4K. Okay, how wonderful, right? Now, this is Union Gas 6.4K or that I already closed the position, guys. So let me show you my current position in Union Gas. 买回来啊，懂吗？ Buy second time, and now I'm also sitting on the profit. Let me show you. Union Gas, currently sitting on 6.7K. And if you add them together, 13.1K profit in Union Gas. 好的股就不要浪费 ，OK？ 好的股就不要浪费，真的要买回来，真的要 ride the trend. Union Gas. So Telegram alert is something new. So we have our Telegram alert. So once you join the program, you will be able to receive the alerts delivered directly to your Telegram. Now, if you plot any notification line on the stock that you are following, it will also send the alert to your Telegram. So the whole mentorship program, you have got the Telegram alert, you have the learning broadcast from me, you have access to a private group page, you have got the software ESG Master Pro to look for stocks. This will ensure that your 1 year journey with me will be very fruitful, and you will gain a lot of knowledge and experience with me, that you will become a better trader and better performance in your investment in 1 year. Okay, 1年的时间. You have spent 3 years studying for a degree program. You have spent 10 years studying primary school and secondary school, all to work for other people. Okay, so this 1 year program is an investment to yourself, to invest in yourself, to learn a skill that will stay with you for the rest of your life, a lifetime skill that will stay with you to the rest of your life, okay, to help you grow your money for your retirement. It is very important. The school doesn't teach you how to invest, I think for a reason, because they want all of us to be the bumblebee. Those Kiang one, right, will own self go and find lobang. Okay, go and set up businesses, sell chairs, sell until $1 billion. Which chair am I talking about? The Omega, the Titan chair. What chair is that? I forgot the name of the company. Okay, so this is it. You need to spend money to learn how to invest. So this is the program. So this is the semiconductor trades, okay, AEM, UMS, High-P. Of course, High-P has been taken private now. So total profit from this 3 stock, 11.3K. Now, here I want to share with you my personal experience. Last time, I every time want to hook correct on one stock and make 5 digit, few $1,000s in one stock. Okay, so I always try to add on, buy more. But later then I realized there's another way to make big money. That is, if I buy stock, I spread out my money to diversify into stocks I want. So if every one of them give me, like for example, right here, right, if every one of them give me 4,000, I will have $12,000. You understand the concept? So I do not need to wait for one stock to give me that 12 or 13,000 profit in one stock. That is quite difficult. I would say quite difficult. Okay, but if I were to spread out into 3 to 4 winning stock, every stock give me $3,000 to $4,000, I will have my 5-figure win. Okay, so this is one concept that you can take away with you tonight. Now, MATEX, one good trading idea, $27,780. Okay, one good trading idea. That was a time when COVID-19 was raging. The whole world stopped functioning, but only one particular industry still very strong. That is the healthcare sector. Now, for those of you who are not in the market or didn't buy MATEX at that time, because you do not have that information, imagine if I bring you back to June 8, 2020. I was there to highlight to you, hey, these MATEX are earnings sibei strong. It is a main dish kind of stock. 卖涂料. Let's look for the BIC, and you see the chart BIC. Can you see BIC happening in June 8, 2020? So you will recognize that, hey, this is an opportunity. Then we will be able to make this money together. Okay, 27,000 in MATEX, one good trade. And this is the recent big win that I have realized. That is the Fortress Minerals, the steel company, $13,400 in one good trade. Okay, one good trade in Fortress Mineral, one trade, 13.4K, 150% win in this company. Same. It is the BIC kind of chart. Okay, so today, if you are looking for results, okay, you're looking for results and looking for a program that focuses on profits, making money, this is the Traders Club that I welcome you to join, because once you join, you learn the knowledge. We're going to look for stocks together and we are going to churn profits together. Okay, we are going to make profit together. So with the knowledge you learn from me, you will be able to recognize opportunities for the rest of your life, guys. For the rest of your life. Remember, this is a life skill. Now, 自古以来啊，千古以来 stock market has always been there for hundreds of years, guys. I'm not kidding you. For hundreds of years, since the 18th century, almost 200 years already. Stock market is there. And during COVID-19, I think it is very clear that even when the world shut down, locked down, stock market still running there. 可不可笑? Stock market essential service, meh? Why? Why is it essential service? Why is stock market still functioning? And the best part is, the way I make money last time is the same I make money last year, and it is the same way I make money this year. And it will be the same way I make money in the future. The method doesn't change because one fundamental reason. I explain to you, you will understand why. Take a look at all these companies that are listed here. They are all profitable business, having earnings growth. So long you go to this kind of stock and you buy at the right time, you can only make money. You know? That is as simple as that. This is the fundamental reason why profits can be made in the stock market. So our pre-COVID seminar package, your investment last time will be 2788 when we have face-to-face training. Face-to-face training, that means conduct in a classroom, in a hotel. So we have hotel fees, we have to pay for the projector and so on, for the event crew. So overall, the package last time before COVID-19 is 2,788. Okay, but because of COVID-19, now we are able to offer you this program because we are totally doing online. We can save on all the costs. It is only at 1,388 now. And if you break it down to per month, it is only $115 per month. And if you are losing more than $115 per month and you do not know what the heck is going on, last year was a good year in the stock market and you couldn't make money from it, including this year, you couldn't make money from it, you need help. At $115 per month, 你当作是吃一个 jumbo 啦，吃一个 jumbo. Instead of eat and then you put out tomorrow morning, you sign up for this program, invest in this knowledge, and then learn how to do it together with us. The training video is lifetime. So like I said, these are life skills. Once you learn it, it will stay with you forever. Okay, the only thing that you need to renew is the software and the private group access, communicated alert. So one renewal fee will include item 1, 2, 4, and 5. Okay, videos for you, lifetime. This is the sign up link, chinasis.com/trading-SGX. The links are here on the right hand side where my assistant has already pinned up. So we have the SGX program, we have the Bursa program, and we have got a WhatsApp number for you to contact us and the email if you've got more questions. Okay, so this is the mentorship program. And bonus, okay, whenever I find this for REITs lover, those of you who like to invest in REITs for the dividend income, good news for you is I am also building my REITs dividend income. So if I have an idea on what REITs to buy, I will go through in the meeting and share with you, hey, this week, these are the REITs that targeting, the price is right, the yield is right. So it is time to it is time for you to get interested in those REITs. So I will share with you this kind of information so that you are focusing on the right REITs. Okay, REITs that I'm interested in. And the other bonus as the member is you will receive private alerts from me. These private alerts are set by me for my own use because I monitor my list of stocks. Like for example, I want to buy more Union Gas, when to buy. I want to buy more Yangzijiang, when to buy. So these are my personal stocks. So I will have trading levels plotted and it will trigger to my mobile phone. But as a member, it will also trigger to your mobile phone. Okay, so we are receiving these private alerts together with me. So the online promotion for this 365-day mentorship program 1 year, okay, instead of 1388, because you stay all the way to this last slide, I'm going to give you one online promotion that is 1011, which brings down your monthly investment to only $84 per month. You bring your family go to the restaurant and eat, $84都不够啊，不够吃，吃直炒都要60多块，84块啊。Jumbo 都不用吃了 really not enough. So invest and learn so that you will be able to make 10 times the amount, $840 one trade. Okay, so these are the items you will receive. Once again, training video is lifetime. Now, those of you who are ready to sign up, please proceed to join the program on the links on the right hand side, because this price is not forever, guys. It's not forever. We have been increasing the price steadily over the past 1 year. So it used to be only a few $100 when we first started March. When COVID-19 struck, we have to move the business online. So we also don't know what price to sell. So the first few batches, Tandio, okay, signed very low. So it will only go up. So the next price that we are going to offer will be the 1388. Do take note of this. So 早买早享受。不要错过 Don't wait until 1388, then you sign, then you cannot save that amount of money. All right, now it's only $84 per month. So next time it will become 115 for you, then not worth it. Also, this is the good lobang. Sign up now. Now I'm going to show you some of the FAQ that we have collected from the members, those of them who sign up. Okay, in case you have the same question, people already asked, we already answered. So right here at the sign up link, we have it. So the question, most popular one, where is this mentorship program conducted? Fully online, guys, fully online. The moment you join, you have access to the learning video. Go and view the videos, and then you have access to the private group. You will receive alerts from us on what stock to focus on. So you will be guided. You'll be guided. It's like a checklist. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will be with you, so that your experience with us for the next 1 year is a guided mentorship. Okay, you will not feel lost. Just ping us, drop an email to us, participate in the discussion. You will not feel lost. Okay, so that is the mentorship program. How do you know this mentorship program can help you? Okay, I have really shown you my equity curve. I even show you my last portfolio up 32.6K. Okay, and I also got members sitting here in the chat today. You can see we are all interacting. Jack la, DT la, Bernard la, all of them. So they have come from all walks of life. If I can help them, I can help you. Okay, this mentorship program is suitable for who? Either you are a new trader or experienced trader. Both will be beneficial. Now let me explain about experienced trader first. Now for experienced trader, if you are already trading well, then you don't need my help. But if you are experienced more than 3 years, 5 years, but you're still unable to buy the right stock, not unable to trade profitably, then perhaps you are just missing that additional fine tune that I will be able to provide to you. So once you join, you will find benefits like tuning of your stock selection and the timing, the technical analysis to complement what you already know, so that that missing piece in the puzzle is there. Okay, and then you will be able to appreciate and start to make money more consistently. Now, for those of you who are new, okay, you are like a blank piece of paper, very new. So it's very good if you can start doing the right thing and not get into the bad habits of anyhow trading. Okay, so you will not have all the bad habits. You'll be able to skip all the mistakes that I have made. Now, like I said before, smart people learn from the mistakes of others. So today, if you are able to skip all the mistakes that I have made over the years, you will definitely be faster. Your learning curve will definitely be shorter and quicker. Okay, and you get up to speed faster. So that is the benefit of those of you who are new and you join this program. So during the weekly webinar, we're going to highlight stocks of interest, and we're going to discuss the entry strategy, the exit strategy for existing stocks. So yep, that will be the weekly webinar. If you are unable to attend the weekly webinar, it is recorded. Okay, so you will be able to view it like next day or even few hours later. So don't worry, you cannot attend the live training because you want to go out with a friend. You come home, you can still attend because it's recorded inside the private group page. Now, if you have successfully made payment, okay, you will be receiving our welcome email. In the welcome email, you will have instruction to download all the necessary software, the application that we are using in your mobile phone, and also the Telegram. Okay, you will learn how to set it up. So everything will be inside this welcome email. Look out for it. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam folder. It may be there. Okay, otherwise, I think we have a PDF somewhere here. PDF 在哪里？哎呀，我每次都找不到了。PDF PDF. I think we have uploaded a PDF, so it will be in the email lah. The PDF in the email. Okay, so you just go to the email and you'll be able to get it. So these are all the articles that I've written before, right? Testimonial time. Okay, for those of you who are wondering, hey, how do you benefit from the program? Okay, so the PDF, okay, the PDF document for the quick start will be at the thank you page. That means after you check out, it will be there. Okay, so not on this page, on the thank you page. Okay, so now what about testimonial? So this is the first week of the month I will read here, second week, third week. So this is the second week. Second week I will read from Kelvin Su. So these are all the members that kindly contributed their testimonial. So Kelvin Su, I have never felt so confident to trade before I joined this training because what I have learned before are wrong in trading. So what I have learned from him really helps a lot to get what I have lost in the stock market before. Okay, so that's from Kelvin Su. Perry E says, you truly get a lot more than you pay. Proper method and strategy, which I feel is the best. The cost you pay worth every penny. That's what Perry says. Wilson, once I turned to his public YouTube, I had started recovering my losses. Now I'm glad that I have become a member and successfully recovered all my losses in a proper trading method. Okay, so Francis, learning while making money. This is the highlight. Learning while making money with Chart Nexus is the greatest takeaway in 2020 for me. One can invest with confidence in SGX with guidance and knowledge imparted by the Yihua. Don't need to say master. By me. So this is what I mean, learning while making money. So this 1 year, right, you will be trading and learning at the same time. So you do not miss any good stocks along the way. Hey, Union Gas, iFast, all these, the opportunity to buy more, it's not every day or every week, no. So the earlier you join, maybe the next time to buy is close by, you'll be able to get. Sometimes we wait for months before we're able to buy iFast. So it's the key, we don't buy one, no. We wait for the pullback. So if you don't want to miss, you should join first. Zihao, only regret is that I should have joined early and that will boost my winning percentage higher. Enjoy his way of explaining as it is very serious and easy to catch your attention. Okay, so these are all the testimonials. Feel free to come and check it out, all the reviews. I know now a lot of people like to buy things on Lazada. Also, you always have to read the review. The more review, the more dependable. So I have so many over here. And if you click here, you get to the main page for the testimonial. I have got a total of 50 over reviews. Okay, all are positive. 52. Okay, 52. Latest is Frankie Top. Okay, so the full review is here. You can go to the all comments, 52 of them. Thanks to all these kind members who contributed. Okay, so this is where all the testimonials are. Read and then you feel very comfortable to join because you know this program can help you. Okay, so the value is 1011 special promotion before it jumps to 1388. 早买早享受. Okay, like any question with regards to the program, feel free to ask now. Yeah, Phyllis Lay, Secret Lab. The chair, the Omega chair, Secret Lab. Jack Tan say useful. Bro, you just mentioned you want to go through Costco. Over already, Grace. 刚才没有问，忘记了。Costco 要等 Grace Costco need to wait. Okay, there's no BIC. Need to wait. Any questions from YouTube or on Facebook with regards to the program, how I can help you? Give me 1 year, guys. Okay, give me 1 year. You will see a difference immediately within the next 3 months. 4th month onwards, you will fully immerse yourself in the program. 真的，真的，这个 community 太棒了。Okay， 最爽的嘛 ，you know what is the most shock thing or not? Is making money together. Hey, I'm not the only one got iFast, got Union Gas. My members also have. Okay, my members also have GKE. They also have Nano Firm. Okay, all the chung one they have. All the losing one, like Thai Beverage, all these, maybe some of them still not used to it, still hanging on. How much to pay for the software after 1 year? After 1 year, if you join today, listen up, if you join today, you lock it down at 1011. So your renewal next time is 1011. Once we increase the price to 1388 or 1588, then those people who buy in the future at that price, their renewal will be that price, 1388, 1588. Okay, so the earlier you buy, you will be able to lock down this as your renewal price, 1011. Okay, 1011. Thank you for the questions, Muhammad Ibn Abi. If not, nobody asks. It is very quiet. Okay, so we are 5 minutes away from the magical 11 p.m. Okay, maybe 11 p.m. the price will jump to 138. Who knows? It all depends on my marketing. If they are ready for the new page to upload, then the number will jump. So guys, do not miss this online promotion. Good news for all of you is the Nasdaq is up 0.5%. Very, very strong. Very, very strong, guys. See, with knowledge, you will be able to benefit from the tech shares. If you don't have any tech shares tomorrow, Nasdaq, then it's none of your business. But if you have, you know that, oh, wow, opportunity is here. This Friday, I think is Taiwan Semiconductors earnings call, if I am not wrong. I stand to be corrected, but I think so. I think so. So good chance. There could be a very good chance right here for the semicons. More importantly is after earnings, you see Wall Street continue to go up. It means that it is a bullish time. I have said this many times. It is a bullish time. Okay, so if you got no more questions, guys, I need to go to Wall Street already. Okay, so let me see if there is any last question. Last call for asking question. If tak ada, then I will end tonight's session. And I thank you for joining tonight. And I will head over to Wall Street. Okay. If you got any question, guys, just feel free to email or WhatsApp us. Okay, email or WhatsApp us. So with that, I will end tonight's session. Thank you very much for attendance. And tonight, I think we hit a historical high of 600. So more people, please just join your friends along. Okay, and let us huat cai together. Okay, so that's all, guys. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. 11 p.m. already. So long. Goodbye. Good night. Today raining, remember to close the window. Blanket 盖好来温暖的睡一个觉。明天早上起来清清色，长青。拜拜。